Hello students, welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Rayat Online School Education Rose Project 2021-22. I am Jagtap Vaishali from Sadguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad. My subject is English. Students, in our English textbook, there are four sections. First section is prose. Second section is poetry. Third section is writing skill and fourth section is drama. In first section prose, there are 6 lessons. Today, we are going to learn unit 1.2 On to the Summit, We Reach the Top, written by Tenzing Norgay. Student, in the title of the lesson, the word summit is new for you. The meaning of the summit is the highest point of a mountain or a hill. You can see highest point of a mountain in the picture. Students, this lesson is divided into two parts. So, let's see first part of the lesson. Let me see activities under icebreaker. First activity, discuss with your partner and complete the wave of different activities related to climbing. Students, here are wave chart of climbing and there are 6 blocks in it. Already 2 blocks are filled with answers and remaining blocks we will fill with answers. First answer is bouldering, second answer is hiking, third answer is trekking, and fourth answer is ice climbing. Here are different activities related to climbing are filled in the wave chart. Rappelling, rock climbing, ice climbing, trekking, hiking, and bouldering. Second activity, discuss with your partner the various hazards and risks that a mountaineer or trekker has to face in an expedition. Students, mountaineering is considered to be one of the most exciting yet dangerous sports of the world. The dangers in the mountaineering are rockfall, avalanches, inclement weather, equipment failure, falls due to inattention, fatigue, or inadequate training, summit fever, and altitude sickness, etc. Let me see the information about the writer. Tenzing Norgay is the author of the lesson. Tenzing Norgay was born on 29th May 1914 and died on 9th May 1986. Tenzing Norgay, known as by both Namgyal Wangdi, referred to as Sherpa Tenzing, was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. He was a part of the 1953 British expedition to Mount Everest, along with Edmund Hillary, was the first to reach a top of the tallest mountain in the world on 29th May 1953. Tenzing Norgay was honored with Tiger Medal in 1938 by Himalayan Club for third Everest expedition. He was also honored with Star of Nepal in 1953 by King Tribhuvan for all accomplishments. Tenzing Norgay was honored with Padam Bhushan in 1959 by Government of India for all accomplishments. Let me see the information about Mount Everest and word Sherpa. About Mount Everest. Mount Everest is on the crest of the great Himalayas of southern Asia. It is located between Nepal and Tibet, an autonomous region of China. The height of Mount Everest is 8,849 meters. It is a peak in the Himalaya mountain range. The first ever recorded people to climb Mount Everest were Edmund Hillary and his Tibetan guide Tenzing Norgay. They climbed the mountain in 1953 and hold the record together. The word Sherpa is often used to mean mountain guide. The Sherpa have valuable experience in mountain climbing which they can provide to other climbers. Let me see the theme of the lesson. The theme of the lesson is to achieve success with determination, courage, hard work, and perseverance. Means determination plus courage plus hard work plus perseverance is equal to success. Let me see characters in the lesson, major characters and minor characters. First major character is Tenzing Norgay. Second major character is Edmund Hillary. First minor character is Colonel Hunt. Second minor character is Nima. Third minor character is C.W.F. Noisy. And fourth minor character is W.G. Loy. Now students, we will see major characters one by one. First major character is Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay is the author of the lesson. He was the most passionate about his dream. He was a strong, determined person. He had a great patience to achieve success. His patriotism. When he was climbed on Mount Everest at that time, he had carried Indian flag in his pocket. This act shows his patriotism and devotion for nation. Tenzing Norgay was spiritual person. When he reached on the top of Mount Everest, he felt gratitude to God. Second major character is Edmund Hillary. Edmund Hillary was New Zealand mountaineer. He was part of the 1953 British expedition to Mount Everest. He was known for his first to reach summit of Mount Everest with Tenzing Norgay. Minor characters. First minor character is Colonel Hunt. Henry Cecil John Hunt was a British Army officer who was best known as a leader of the successful 1953 British expedition to Mount Everest. Second minor character is Nima. Nima is youngest daughter of Tenzing Norgay. She had given an ordinary blue pencil to put on the summit of Mount Everest as her offerings. Third minor character is CWF Noisy. CWF is a short form of his full name, Cuthbert Wilfrid Francis Noisy. He was an English mountaineer and author. He was a member of the 1953 British expedition to Mount Everest. He was known for his strength, stamina, and for impressively navigating difficult climbing routes. Fourth minor character is W.G. Lowe. W.G. is a short form of his full name, Wallace George Lowe. He was a New Zealand born mountaineer explorer, film director, and educator, and last surviving member of the 1953 British expedition. Let me see the summary of the lesson. Students, onto the summit, we reach the top. This lesson is an inspirational story of Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Tenzing was really passionate about his dream to be there on the top of Mount Everest. To achieve that goal, he was ready to pay price. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary left Camp 9 on Friday morning. When they reached to place a steep line of rocks, there were new challenges and difficulties for them, but they cooperate to each other. Bonding between them was really admirable. Colonel Hunt was a leader of the expedition. He gave three flags to Tenzing at Camp 4 in order to plant on the top of the wood. Those flags belonged to Britain, the United Nations, and Nepal. But Tenzing himself brought Indian flag in his pocket to plant it on the top along with other flags and asked for permission. While climbing, they were tied with rope. So they became a team, not an individual. There was controversy arisen about who was the first. So they made a pact about it in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal. Finally, on 29th May 1953, they became very happy to reach on the top of the world. After reaching on the top, Tenzing felt gratitude to God. He thought that after having failed 6 times, God had blessed him with fulfillment of his desire he had held so long. So he offered a silent prayer in his heart and placed offerings, biscuits, candy, and little blue pencil on the summit. At the time, on the summit, he was very thirsty, but water in his container had frozen, so he could not drink water. Tenzing got out the flags and thrust 1 inch of the string in the ice. Hilary took pictures of it while hoisting the flags. Tenzing wore red scarf, so he reminded his friend Lambert, who was a leader of the 1952 Swiss expedition, had given the red scarf. Tenzing and Hilary stayed on the top little more than 15 minutes. Now they were anxious and curious to get down safely. Climbing down was more difficult and dangerous than the climb up. Tenzing thanked God for saving him and helping him to come out every deadly situation safely. When they climbed down just above Camp H, they met their other teammates, Noisy and Loy. Tenzing raised his thumb up, and all the faces flushed with joy. Tenzing as a legendary hero. After conquering Mount Everest, Tenzing Norgay was recorded as legendary hero by many mountaineers. He became an inspiration for many climbers. He was honored with many awards and medals. Remaining parts of the lesson we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.